to making risotto.
So what are you making?
Risotto. And I put my shallots in.
Okay.
We don't want to actually color this. We just want to just saute them.
What are those?
These are leeks. So I'm going to turn the fire down because we don't want to color them. We just want to soften the vegetables, the leek and the shallot. This dish here, you have to keep stirring it. You can't just leave it on its own. You have to keep moving it. You have to keep moving it around. Otherwise, it's gonna burn. So we have it going. Oh, it's beginning to smell. I love the aroma.
Smells good.
Then I throw the garlic in. The garlic. Okay. Continue to stir. As I said, we don't want to color the vegetables. We don't want them to color.
So you have to keep moving them around.
Yeah. And over medium heat. Cooking with shallots are always a good thing, although they're expensive. I don't normally cook with them, but when it comes to
It's your birthday dinner.
when it comes to a birthday dish, you know I'm going to be cooking with shallots. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, Dad.
1/4 cup of
White wine.
white wine. So now we need to cook this until when the liquid evaporates. Because we're deglazing the pan now from the onions and the shallots. So now we can turn it up a little bit more for now.
So I'll check back in with you in a few minutes.
Yeah. And once it evaporates, I start putting the chicken stock that I have here.
Okay.
All in the
Just evaporated.
It's evaporated now, just about evaporated. So now we're gonna add the risotto. Okay. And then we're gonna start stirring this. This is a continuous stirring. You can't afford to get tired doing this. You just have to keep on moving around, coating the risotto. Alright, so we're gonna add some chicken broth to it, or chicken stock, I would say. I say I put two scoops in it.
I'm about to say that's not a tablespoon.
I know. Mind you,
Okay.
I've had a glass of champagne, so excuse me.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just keep we're gonna keep stirring it, okay? Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna stir this around with the chicken stock until it evaporates.
Okay.
And then we'll add more stock to it, and the rice will begin to get creamier as we keep stirring and adding more stock to it. So keep, as I said, you're just gonna keep turning this. You know, you can't afford to get tired doing this. You know.
Okay, I'll check back with you soon.
Yeah. As soon as it evaporates, see, it's lessening now. It evaporates, and then I add some more.
Okay.
And we have to keep doing this until it's cooked.
Okay.
Okay. Well, finally, it's cooked.
Okay.
Okay. If you look here, you can see the result. It's creamy, and this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to fall away like that. Okay. And we just tasted it, and it's cooked. So now I'm going to add some lemon zest. I have some lemon zest here. Say like about a tablespoon of lemon zest. So that's going to go inside like that. Okay. And then I have some tarragon, like a tablespoon of tarragon. I'm gonna pour the tarragon, sprinkle the tarragon over it like that.
Okay.
Okay, like that. And then I have about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and this is unsalted butter.
Okay.
And I'm gonna say about 2 tablespoons. Okay. Then I'm gonna give it a little stir. And actually salt to taste. So we're gonna have to taste it and see if it has enough salt in there. I'm gonna put about half a cup of Parmesan cheese in there. I say it like this.
What do you think?
Oh my god, it's so good. The tang of the lemon and the tarragon and the butter, absolutely delicious. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna stir it a little bit, and then I'll work on the scallops and the shrimp.
Okay.
So come back and we can start that.
All right.
Okay? Unbelievable.
So I did a taste test and it was delicious. How would you describe that taste test?
I think it was good. It's the first time I've done this, but it was. I think it was good. Finally, we're getting to the end of this video. We are finally doing the
shrimp
and the scallops.
Okay.
Okay, so 2, 3. We want to caramelize these
The scallops?
And then we just add them to the risotto. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll keep checking them to see that they're not burnt or anything. Keep checking them. We want them nice and golden brown at the bottom. And then we'll just flip them over. In the meantime, I'll put the shrimps also in there. Like 3 or 4 minutes on either side because we don't want it to be rubbery.
Okay.
So see the color? This is the color we want. Actually, it's a little darker than that, but I'm afraid to overcook it. See this nice caramelized color, like this one here. See?
Coming out good?
Sprinkle some parsley over it. So this is the dish here.